In this question, it gives you some information that you don't really need to worry about. Okay, so this top part just kind of sets the stage for using the equation. So it says, which equation is equivalent to the equation 5/100 n plus 1/10 d equals $3.65? All right, in class, we talked about a few things. We talked about moves in an equation. So for an equation, whatever move you do to one side, you have to do the same exact thing to the other side. All right, so a place you might want to start here is looking at what happened on the right side. So in all of our choices, we're getting 365 for the right side of our equations. All right, so I would start by thinking about what operation did I use to get here? Okay, once I figure out that operation, okay, could be, in this case, multiplying to get there. Okay, what did I multiply by? All right, once you figure out what you're multiplying by, then you want to see which of the given equations also is the same thing when you multiply by that same factor. Okay? So try that, then pick out which one makes the most sense.